messed all my hair up. It's a comfy t-shirt kind of day. You know what that means? No bra, no bra. What is up, you guys? It's your friend Belle here, back at it again with another YouTube video. And yeah, I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope that you're all having a great week so far. I honestly have been pretty anxious this week, and the sole reason for my anxiety this week is honestly Game of Thrones. I know that's gonna sound so ridiculous. It sounds so ridiculous when I say it out loud that a TV show is making me anxious, but it's actually making me anxious. All I've dreamt about all week is Game of Thrones and how it's gonna end, and I've just been watching YouTube videos non-stop because last week's episode, let's just not, okay? It got me worried, okay? Like, I thought I was gonna be really excited about the final 2 episodes, but I'm not. I'm just not. Yeah, I just kind of had to share my feelings on Game of Thrones with you guys. So in today's video, I thought that I would do a roundup of all of my current favorite things, and yeah, I actually like watching these videos a lot more when it's not just makeup and when people also include other stuff as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and instead of just showing you guys makeup products, I thought I would also show you like some stuff that I've been buying for my house and just some like little fashion-y things that I've just been loving at the moment as well. Anyways, I'm going to jump straight into the video. If you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I have to talk about today is a foundation that I have just been loving for the last few months. I've just been wearing this non-stop. It's my go-to foundation. So this is the Cover FX Power Play foundation. I did actually do a review on this last year, but when I initially bought this foundation, I did buy the wrong colour, and I bought a colour that was a little bit too light for my skin tone. So I wasn't really wearing it very much, even though I did really like it. So recently, I just thought I would buy a new colour and just actually start wearing it again. The reason why I love this foundation so much is because I just find that it sits so nicely on the skin. It is more of a matte foundation, but even though I have dry skin, it doesn't dry my skin out or anything. It always looks nice and fresh and glowy. I don't find that I have to set it with powder either. It just doesn't need it. It looks so like nice and smooth and flawless on the skin, and I also like the fact that it does kind of smooth over my pores as well. So yeah, if you do try this out, definitely let me know what you think, because I am just obsessed with it at the moment. This next makeup product, you guys will have seen me wearing this non-stop at the moment, because I genuinely have not put this down since I bought it, and I just love it so much. So this is Freck. I know that this comes in honestly the most tiny bottle ever. When I ordered this, I thought it was going to be like the same size as lash glue, and then it came and it's like this tiny. So I am kind of worried about losing this at some point, because yeah, I can't really be trusted with things that are like this teeny tiny, because especially with my makeup, because I do just kind of throw my makeup around all over my desk, and the amount of times I lose my lash glue, I pretty much lose my lash glue on a daily basis. So I know that I'm probably going to lose this at some point, so I have to be like extra careful with it. But don't be put off by the fact that it does come in such a teeny tiny little bottle, because it does last forever. As I said, I've been using this non-stop for about, I would probably say about 2 months now, and it's just nowhere near running out, because you do only need the tiniest little bit. It's not like you have to open it and then dot freckles all over your face. You kind of just do like 3, and then you use your finger and blend them all out, and that's how they end up looking a little bit more natural. So yeah, even though this is super teeny tiny and quite expensive for the amount of product that you get, it does last for a very, very long time. So yeah, if you guys haven't tried this yet, definitely give it a go, because I just love it so much. I am honestly so late to the party with this setting spray, because I feel like people have been using this for years and I just hadn't got around to trying it yet. So yeah, this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and yeah, I know that a lot of you guys are probably going to be like, you haven't tried that yet? But no, I had not. I only got this recently, and in all honesty, it doesn't the reason why I love this so much, it's not so much how it sets my makeup, because I don't think it performs any better than my Urban Decay one does. It's more the way that it applies. Like, it just feels so refreshing after you've, especially because when I do my makeup, I do sit under these really bright lights as well, and they're really warm and really hot, and just applying this just feels so refreshing. It's literally just like you just mist it over your face, and it just feels like, you know, when you're on you know, if you guys go on vacation and you can get those like cooling sprays for your face, it feels like one of those. Like, it just feels really refreshing and really cooling when you apply it, and it's just kind of like a little treat when you finish doing your makeup to like spray that over. I find it's just really fun. I know it's like absolutely ridiculous. I've got a couple of mugs here, and I know it's like, it sounds like such a boring thing to talk about, it's like mugs. But yeah, if you guys are like, I don't know, if you guys are into homeware and you're into like, yeah, like cute little things for your house, I feel like you would appreciate it. So I've got these two little mugs. These are from Urban Outfitters Home, and one of these I didn't realise until I got home, but one of these I only paid 99 cents Canadian for, which I think is probably about 40p in the UK. I have no idea. I don't know whether it was like marked down or whether the girl just charged me wrong, but I was pretty happy with that, with my little bug. Black one says "We Are All Stardust" on it. I just think it's really, really cute. And then the pink one says "Boy Bye," and it's got a little cherub on it. I just think that these are really, really cute. Okay, so I feel like we're actually just like breezing through this. So next thing that I actually have to talk about is a candle. I am such a candle person. I actually have a candle cupboard in my house just filled with scented candles, because I always like to just have scented candles burning, and yeah, I love candles so much. These are actually the candles that you can buy in Urban Outfitters. They're by PF Candle Co. In Calgary, you can also get them in Plant in Inglewood as well. They do sell them in there, and they actually have a way bigger choice than Urban Outfitters do as well. So this scent is called Teakwood and Tobacco, and Teakwood and Sandalwood are my two most favorite scents. Like, I really love kind of earthy, woody, like manly kind of smells, and that's exactly what this smells like, because it's teakwood and tobacco. I know that tobacco, whenever like you see that something is scented with tobacco, you always in your head like kind of think it's going to be gross, like you always think it's going to just smell like cigarettes, but it doesn't. It's just kind of like this musky, like manly smell. It smells so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so next thing that I've got, we are still on the house stuff, by the way. I told you guys there was going to be like a few little house things in this video, but I bought this fake plant from Ikea at the weekend, and I have like a ton of real house plants in my house, but the reason why I bought two of these, and the reason why I bought these ones was because for my office and also our like smaller bathroom next to our lounge, because they don't have any windows in them. So, but I love the way that like having loads and loads of plants in a room looks. Like, it's just kind of my vibe, you know. So, but yeah, obviously in this room there is no windows in this room, so I can't have real plants in here unless I get like grow lights and stuff, which in all honesty I am like too lazy to do. So yeah, I thought I would just get some fake ones in here, and I picked up this like fake, I don't even know what plant this is supposed to be, to be honest. I think it's meant to be some kind of like ivy, or I don't know. And then I got this like little gold pot to go for it to like sit in as well. It actually fits like perfectly in there. I don't know how this is going to pick up on the camera. It probably might look like pretty fake on the camera, but where I've put these in my house, I have one like, so I've got this like storage unit thing like that's just behind me, and that has got all of my makeup in it, and I put this on the top shelf, and it kind of just like drapes down from the shelf, and it looks really cute, and I'm really happy with it. And then I did also do the same thing in our bathroom as well, but I put it on top of our medicine cabinet, and I feel like once you, like when you look at it up close, you can 100% tell that it's fake, but when you actually put them like up on shelves and everything, they do look really cute, and they don't look as fake as they look when you can see them like up close and stuff. So yeah, I'm just really happy with these. I do have like some really beautiful hanging plants in my lounge, but my lounge gets amazing light, so they're like kind of perfect for hanging plants, whereas yeah, I can't have real ones in here, which is such a shame. So last thing that I do have to show you guys today is just a couple of like fashion things. So this is just a little backpack from Adidas. I say Adidas. I know that everyone in Canada says Adidas, but I cannot get on board with that. It's always going to be Adidas for me. But this is just a cheap little backpack that I picked up, and I love it. Like, you can fit a surprising amount of stuff in this backpack, and it only cost me like $30, and I just think it's really cute. It goes with so many different types of outfits. It doesn't matter whether I'm wearing like sweatpants or whether I'm wearing an actual like nice outfit. It just goes with everything, and yeah, as I said, it can just fit a lot of stuff in there, and I just really like it. Last thing that I actually have to talk about today is a pair of boots. I have had these for such a long time now. I actually bought these last summer, but when I bought them, I ordered them, and then they actually got delivered to my mum's house once I had left for Canada. So I couldn't actually pick them up until October when I went back to the UK when we launched my palette. And then by the time I came back to Calgary, the weather had started changing a little bit. So I haven't actually been able to wear these an awful lot over the winter because they do like salt the roads and the like pavements out here, and the salt can kind of like mess with your shoes, so you kind of don't really want to wear any like really nice shoes when you're out and about in the winter, because the salt can just like, yeah, like mess up your shoes. And these shoes were a splurge. Like, these were some expensive ass shoes, but I just loved them so much. And honestly, I am not the kind of, I will happily spend a lot of money on a bag, because with bags, I feel like that's something you will have for such a long time, and I can like kind of justify investing the money in it. But with shoes, no, not so much. I'm not really an expensive shoe kind of person, but as soon as I saw these, I just like completely fell in love with them, and I had to have them. I have these little, I say little, they're not very little, they're kind of chunky Gucci boots. I actually changed the laces on these. They do normally come with white laces, but I wasn't really feeling the white laces. They kind of remind me a little bit of hockey skates. I love how the white laces look on everyone else, just not on me. I was like not down with the white laces. So yeah, I changed the laces over to black. They do normally come with like a little belt thing around the top part of the shoe as well, but I took that off as well. I just kind of like them a little bit more plain and simple like this, and I just love them. I've just been wearing these so much more at the moment, and they just go with like so many different outfits, and I just think that they're super cute, and they're really comfortable as well. I also really like the fact that they have this cute little snake on the bottom. I think that's so cool. This is what I mean when I say about like the salt on the roads and stuff. Like, I don't know if you guys can see like all up the side of my shoe there, so that's what you kind of have to be careful with. So I haven't been able to wear them that much, so yeah, I feel like I'm going to be getting a lot more wear out of these in the next couple of months now that the weather is a little bit nicer. It has still been snowing this week, but it's still a little bit better. But yeah, I love these shoes. So yeah, that is like everything that I had to talk about today. I feel like I definitely need to do these favorite videos a little bit more often. Yeah, it's just kind of one of those videos that I just kind of forget about and forget to film, but I should definitely do them a little bit more because I love watching these videos myself. They're one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube, and I know that you guys really like them as well. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video.